In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upgrade n8n subscription. If you need to move to a higher plan in n8n, the process is very simple and only takes a moment. I'll walk you through exactly where to go so you can complete the upgrade smoothly and without confusion. To get started, make sure you're already signed into your n8n account and that you have the right permissions to manage billing or subscription settings. If you're using a workspace managed by someone else, you may need admin access before the upgrade option becomes available. Once you're inside the n8n dashboard, look over to the left-hand sidebar. This is where you'll find the main navigation for your account and workspace settings. From there, click on the admin panel. This section is where administrative controls are grouped together, including account level options and management tools. After the admin panel opens, take a moment to let the page fully load so all available settings appear correctly. Depending on your screen size or account layout, the options may appear slightly differently, but the key thing you're looking for is the upgrade option. Next, click on Upgrade. This will take you to the area where you can review your current subscription and begin changing it to a higher tier. From there, you'll typically be able to see the available plans, compare what's included, and continue with the upgrade based on your needs. As you go through the process, it's a good idea to double-check the plan details before confirming anything. Pay attention to features, usage limits, and billing terms so you choose the option that best matches your workflow. This can help you avoid upgrading to a plan that's either too limited or more than you actually need. If the upgrade button doesn't appear, check whether you're logged into the correct account or whether your user role includes billing permissions. In some cases, refreshing the page or reopening the admin panel can also help if the interface hasn't loaded properly. And that's it. To upgrade your n8n subscription, simply go to the left sidebar, open the admin panel, and click Upgrade. It's a quick process, and once completed, you'll be ready to access the features included in your new plan. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.